Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure Edge itself isn't the problem. First, update Edge from settings about so you have the latest smart screen rules. Next, disable all extensions briefly to rule out interference. Extensions commonly trigger false unsafe flags. Then open site permissions and security in Edge. This puts you exactly where adjustments happen. Once done, you'll test the site again. This initial preparation narrows the likely causes and prevents wasted deeper changes. Now dig into the page-level details so you know why Edge flagged it. Click the padlock to inspect the certificate, confirm issuer, validity dates, and that the domain matches. Expired or mismatched certs trigger unsafe warnings. Open DevTools Security and Console to spot mixed content or TLS errors. These explain why Smart Screen blocks resources. If the certificate looks valid and you control the site, you can temporarily allow it while you fix server settings. Otherwise, don't proceed. Finish by applying the targeted fixes and verifying results. Clear Edge cache and site data, then reset settings or reinstall Edge if warnings persist. This removes corrupt local data. Run Windows Defender and SFC to rule out malware or system file corruption that can alter browser behavior. Once corrected, revisit the page to confirm no unsafe label appears. If it still does, capture certificate screenshots and console logs. These make contacting the site admin or Microsoft support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.